Storm's tech channel here, and it looks like the AT&T has suffered a data breach. So I'm on CNET.com here, and it says here AT&T vendor data breach exposed 9 million customer accounts. The data set was several years old, AT&T said. So this is very interesting, and also this is very serious because I'm getting sick and tired of seeing data breaches, because it's like one data breach after another, and I'm tired of seeing it. People need to fucking stop doing shit like this, because this shit is getting ridiculous, and I'm just tired of seeing it. So yeah, so this is very interesting. It says that the data set was several years old, so that's kind of interesting there. I don't know why we're learning about this now, but let's go ahead and check this out. So it says her AT&T customer data was exposed in January through a third-party vendor that has been hacked, the carrier confirmed, affecting around 9 million customer accounts. This included basic personal information but no financial data or social security numbers. The data that AT&T had provided to the marketing vendor, which has been exposed, was, quote, mostly related to device upgrade eligibility, end quote, according to a statement the providers sent to CNET. It included basic personal information like customer names, account numbers, phone numbers, and email addresses, as well as the number of lines on the account, device used, and installment agreement information. The exposed data didn't include social security numbers, credit card information, account passwords, or, quote, other sensitive information, end quote, the AT&T statement said. The carrier noted that the data set was several years old. So that's kind of interesting too. Why are we finding out about this now? Why did we didn't find out about it then? I guess we didn't know about it then. I guess AT&T just recently discovered this recently, so that's probably why we're finding out about it now. AT&T said that its own systems were not breached and that it was notifying customers who had been affected. Says that this is the first time the carrier's customer data has been exposed in years, as Rapid T-Mobile has suffered far greater breaches of its own system. T-Mobile has just wrapped up paying out $350 million to subscribers affected by the 2021 cyber attack, which it was hacked again back in January, exposing 37 million customers' data. So yeah, I am getting tired of seeing data breaches after another, because this shit is getting ridiculous. This shit needs to stop, and people need to learn to leave people's stuff alone. If it's not your stuff, leave it alone. Don't mess with no one else's stuff. Seriously, because this is getting old, and yeah, it's just a data breach after another. AT&T hasn't had one in a while, and T-Mobile has had several in the last few years. So I mean, this is getting old, and this is getting ridiculous. Doesn't matter how big or small the data breach is, it is very serious. The data breach is serious. Doesn't matter how small or big it is. You guys needed to take these data breaches seriously. Doesn't matter how small or big they are. If you guys were affected by this, I'm very sorry. Hopefully nothing of yours got compromised during the data breach. Hopefully not. Check your bank statements and all that stuff. Check your passwords and all that. And yeah, you can get to a website to see if your email address has been compromised during the data breach. I will have that link down below. So yeah, like I said, this is getting ridiculous, and this this is ridiculous. Like, I don't know why we keep hearing about data breaches all the time now. This is just getting ridiculous, and this needs to stop. Seriously. So that's just my opinion on that. So hopefully for everyone that were affected by this, hopefully that nothing got compromised over there. So hopefully not. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.